What's up, everybody? Well, Renee here from the Mod Institute. If you haven't already checked it out, you have to check out the True suite of software that is completely free and enables you to do all sorts of things. I'm going to walk you through the denture software. This software is basically a free exact replica almost of the denture software. And so what you do is you go to the denture software suite. And by the way, this is downloadable, but it's cloud-based. And then you're going to upload your final impression scans. In this case, I'm doing a maxillary denture, and I'm going to upload the antagonist and also the bite scan. If you don't have a bite scan, it's easy to create by exporting the scene of the articulated arches. So here I'm pulling out the information for the patient and kind of the tooth setup that I want, picking out the tooth style, picking out the shape and standard festooning, looking at the posterior palatal seal, and various other things that they give you options to do. And then from here, the very first thing that we're going to do is pin the bite. I'm not so sure if this is standard for every case or it was just this particular case, but the maxillary scan is the orange one and the purple one is the bite scan. And I am basically picking common points here, making sure that they're the exact location on both arches, and then it gives you a preview with a kind of overlay of the bite. And secondly, what you're going to do is outline the borders of your flange for your denture. And then lastly, you are going to manipulate your teeth. You could do this in sections or full arch. Here I prefer to do it in sextants. So we have these little segments that I'm moving, and it shows you a preview of the occlusion as you're moving them on the left-hand side of the screen. But once you have them kind of set up the way that you like them, you go ahead and finalize that, and then you're able to send it to the cloud, and then it takes a few hours, and then it renders the denture and you're able to download it. And what's cool is it gives you the whole upper arch gingiva, it gives you the teeth in one full arch, it also gives you segments, and it also gives you a tri-end denture, which is monolithic. So here I am in Rayware Cloud nesting the teeth. I'm going to print these out of Onyx material, shade B1, and I'm using the AI cloud nesting with the auto supports that are going to be easy peel. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and print these teeth, and I'll print the base separately, and I'll bond them together to make a split file denture. Teeth printed really fantastically. Here's the final product. Amazing that this is free. Shout out to Truabutment for providing this service to all the dentists out there to be able to do this completely $0 free of charge.